get you guys too. Oh man. Jasmine. Oh man. She Oh man. She's laughing. Oh yeah, she flipped it all right. That wasn't meant for you guys. That was meant for me. And I feel the love in it. She's gonna come and give me her commentary. You watch and see, she's coming.
Okay, that's enough. I know you're there somewhere. Knock it off.
I'm in the fucking kitchen.
Keep talking.
Hold on, Jasmine.
Okay, there you are.